Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss successive magnification. After converting the decimals, non-terminating repeating decimals in the P by Q form, let us see how to represent these decimals on the number line. I have taken two examples. 2.3801. First, let's understand the meaning of successive magnification. Successive means stepwise. Stepwise, we are going to magnify this number line and locate this number. So, everyone knows that 2.3801 lies between 2 and 3. So, I am going to magnify this portion from 2 to 3 in stages, in stepwise manner. Now this is 2, so this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and then you have 3. Now this is 2.38, so it will be between 2.3 and 2.4. So I am taking the part between 2.3 and 2.4 and magnifying that. So this is 2.31, 2.32, 2.33, 2.34, 2.35, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.39 and 2.4. Now 2.3801. So I will magnify 2.38 to 2.39. Yes, I am stepwise. I am going and locating this number. First, I saw to it that it is between 2 and 3. Then it is between 2.3 and 2.4. Then it is between 2.38 and 39. So this will be 2.381, 2.382, 2.383. 2.384 and you can complete this, you know how to complete, you should know. Now this 2.3801, it will be between this 2.38 to 2.381. Yes, so this will be 2.3801, 2.3802 and so on. We have got our target. This is the number which we want. Yes, so you write it clearly, 2.3801. That is locating the number by successive magnification. Stepwise we are magnifying the number line to locate a number. This again I'll explain one more example. 0.1254 will be between 0 and 1. So I will magnify 0 to 1 portion. I have already drawn the number lines to save time. I've made 10 parts in one line because we all know it is decimal system. We have between 2 to 3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 10 parts. So this is 0. Then this will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. We don't need it. It is between 0.1 to 0.2. Our number will lie there. This is 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, 0.19 and then you have 0.2. Now this is 0.125, so I will magnify this 0.12 to 0.13. I would be magnifying that. This is 0.121, 0.122, 0.123, 0.124. If you write one number up, one number down, your diagram looks neat. 0.125, 0.126, 0.127, 0.128, 0.129, and this is 0.13. Now we have 0.125 to 0.126. I went on magnifying, locating one after the other. 125, we got it here. Now this is 0.1251, 0.1252, 0.1253, 0.1254, and we got our target. This is our target. This is the number which we wanted to locate on the number line. That is the successive magnification. You have to take the number line, first locate roughly, then go on magnifying the areas and locate the number. That's the method of successive magnification. And you are going to work on this. I want you all to pause the video for 10 seconds and copy these two so that I can give you homework as 5 questions for successive magnification. So, I am giving you the homework questions. Note them down and draw neatly with pencil and scale. I have made the 10 parts. You can make 10 parts using scale. 1 centimeter as one part or half a centimeter as one part as per your choice. I am giving you 5 questions for homework. So 3.6841. Second one 4.3896. Third one 0.0023. Be careful when 0 comes. Be careful here. 0. I'll give 1006. Again, be careful here. And the fifth one, I am giving 2.23 bar up to 3 places after decimal. What does this mean? I don't want you to draw infinitely because this will have infinite digits. This is non-terminating, repeating. But I have mentioned up to 3 places after decimal. That means I want you all to show only this, because this is 2.0.232323 so on. I don't want you to continue. I want you to do up to 3 places. That is, you will be showing this. Work on these 5 questions and also work on your textbook and reference book questions. Right? That is the method of successive magnification. Thank you so much.